So here we have these grab bars. You can use in the bath, in the shower, however you want to put them in your house, or you could use them somewhere else if you need them in that area. They're easy to set up, easy to do. No like tools required to do this. The installation's easy. So all you're gonna do, first I need to show you this. So this is gonna suction the air out. You're gonna stick this, you peel this off, and you're gonna stick this onto your wall. And then once you stick that onto your wall, you're gonna suction all the air out. So you're gonna lock these in place. There's two of them, one here and one here. So you're gonna lock these in place and watch this go in. It's gonna suction all the air in. You see that pulling in? It releases it and it pulls it in. These are reusable and you can wash the suction off if you need to reapply to another area, or it's just been a while and you want to make sure the stickiness is nice and sturdy. You can wash these off. When you do apply these, you're going to leave these on for about 15 minutes and then you're going to check the handle of the sturdiness, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's nice and secure before you start using these. You have this tab right here, which you can pull up and out when you want to like take these off. So you'll just unlock it and then you can pull this up and out to pull it away from the wall as well. So in there that goes again, that nice tight suction. And again, these are reusable. So you're able to put these in different spots. You can put one in one area and another in another area. This one that I got is 2 in a box. These are waterproof as well. So thanks for the company for sending me these to check out and review.